Say you more call baby Adom TV Badwam dwumade so de edu so no eya Ahosepe na ansa na ye bewura mu no baye na Afrikiko resort for asset say enstroma season say enkra no wormaje wonmo feso nti se wo pe baby no wabusua program bi na wo pese wo ya na wakọ Afrikiko eye riverfront na wo ne wonmo edin sa wo so wo mo number ni 0242 625 624 0242 625 624 now no makasa o maduane no e de ene nkran so de do mkokota de mka final ti se nkran age atumu de a unu se dimu ankasa nti wo ye program bia bibia wo pese o ye bia yenko Afrikiko riverfront na yenko have fun no eya Ahosepe sister Sandy bi oye guy ene de ya friend no ewo presidency international say emergency na wo say fia mi gina ni shoe kase ni mu na me de ema no this is a Sunday won kwaso na wo ye bia ensi ye na enyo ye sa na adwuma no etie wo bo homodin a ya de wo kosa bra wani na anopa ya surprise this is Sunday na wo ye no kosa ye ne sa ma ye wate enti no yenhwe na Shatawale ne baboy no majesty ono akra no but I no crow we are to be here chi ba no ne ade o akra na hu say wa yankona mu a chentinka o best sankeja o ma betimi aye na ade ni biem na wanya achiriba na achiriba no satana na say bia o ma me anya fofra na akra no say na wo pa che enkweti imra
do it myself.
Okay, sure. No way.
Back.
Okay. Is that enough?
Yeah.
Do you ever want to have siblings?
Yeah.
How many?
10.
And who's that coming from?
You.
Okay. I can give you 4. Okay, let's say 3 more siblings.
I'll have 4.
4 what? Brothers or
siblings.
sisters?
4 brothers.
4 brothers?
Yeah.
One more of you is crazy.
Of ohia 4 brothers yeah try ya nentam nefa bra de obeya no aye nentam enti akra no eno kre ohia chiriba sabe obetimi no madi akro na ya to so a amrado koku ananse ode ne namusa akopie mu US no omu di agro ewo ho na ni nyina no ye Ghana Music Awards dinner na amrado kwakopie mu ho na agro wadie na no sa hotel nka wo Germany ho o se mu ho akwande ni season mu anu ne nanam no na yenko hwese de dinner no amrado si se ho fa na Ghana fo ani age ewo ho yenkomra na ni hwade hunu na no ne mu no nti wakokodru US abrochime mu a ye hwe ni mu se Ghana Music Awards dinner wakakose mu ewo ho nti ye no ye bompa ye se afedade na bo hye bia nipa bia hyafa ye hu bia ne bebam na se Sunday gina mu den na ene MC adwuma no a na oye na ya toso ya Ahosepe na ogiso ehwe no na yenko Stone Boy ne nyom a Davido so mo asemu ne ade je nyame hia wo a wani na kra no a artist bi kra wonyo wo countryman ti me peke onyom na se ne yenko nko a yensemu nko a ti ene Davido Stone Boy ne nyom no asemu ho kra de amano na efe na enika yenkohwe bi fe sa na nka wo sanka ye nyina ye yo yenhonom ne ade ne esa ne agie ni enne ba mu akosoro no but o ma envy na sibinom ne ade bi ye kokoso a o ba shine se de kra na o hyede nti mu ma eno dodo ye ho unu bia ya de na ya chale no praise no ye movie on ye koyenim na nyame ya Adom a Saturday we play bi ba be koso now no play no the title no kwa ye pudu I'm say wow or say in the pants of a woman I'm say there's a pant my dress yeah hey that must play writers want more titles about na me wora covenansa e wa ha I'm so no na trust am no ye misa no titles be brave when you be say in the pants of a woman. Wow, me mo akoba.
Yeah.
In the pants of a woman.
Yeah.
A Kobe answer original music.
Yeah.
Wow,
Thank you.
Title no kwa pants be asem na okay.
Well, in the pants of a woman you're talking about rape. Yeah, when we say rape here issue we don't talk about in our society. Yeah, and see, if I say a fair play with something, you get me at the back into public. Now you need to me talk about it because
the pants of
yeah, there are so many toxic narratives about rape. You repeat you repeat penny so we have always been victim blaming. You blame me instead of say nipa na waya de mo ye be twena so no ne ama no mo cost free.
Oh,
so that's
the
pants of a woman.
Wow, the pants of a woman.
Yeah.
They fine. Rape na wo ka de. Instead of when ya bia rape bibi kura be ba no twist ade no kura ma obi adwene. Because me say na pants de.
Of course, who says that we who ties we aka wadwene and you're curious. And that's what I do as a playwright. It's a time behind it. So me when uncle for dream be and that's where you attract them to come and see whatever we are doing.
Oh, very nice, Papa.
Thank you.
I baso da be.
Ochina, Yameboa, and it's Sunday.
Yeah.
On National Theatre. Yeah.
Is it 2?
Yeah, 2 shows. Yeah.
Saturday and Sunday.
Exactly. And every day we have 2 shows. 3 p.m. and 7 p.m. every day. On National Theatre. Yeah.
Until now just 3
and 7.
7.
Yes.
Until be a 3 day na obenya ho waba.
Exactly.
Say 7 p.m. then so abeba.
Sure.
And a Sunday so sa.
The same 3
and 7.
Yeah. Yeah, be interesting this time. Yeah, the students from Ekopon Slow the blind.
Okay.
And then man Slow the deaf. Yeah, the mo eba aba be hwe bi. Yeah, the deaf interpreters so aka ho.
Oh.
Yeah, because the time be an intimate space no. Sanko for when you omo
film.
Yeah, and I message say preaching e person bia it me.
Because almost somebody me vulnerable.
Yeah.
I take advantage.
Exactly.
Now I omo bibisa.
Nti ye person bia it me e ba no be hwe bi. E say me can say enye impinifo kwa na e hwe sa play we. En kola so me be hwe bi.
Yes, I think say parents here kokore dem kra na ka ho. No matter say.
Exactly.
And way evidence based like a play. You know na stick it down.
Exactly.
Yeah, can brofo, yeah, can. O matter sa. But this time angle when so bad.
Sure.
Wow.
Sure.
Yeah,
that's it. At the end of the day, you person obi at me coffee notes me who say obi a you raping asebe. Sympathize with the person, don't judge them because who name they see it. Who say obi okra no or you obi kwa e shower nipa nya ka chance you raping that person enunti. But that shouldn't be. It's what me sympathizing nipa and say what me judging yes sir. All the time, the victims seem to me out and
I can't wait to watch this play.
Thank you.
Because I can imagine how they are interesting.
I did my first time count Eddie counts this is an original musical. My children back 16 for the play.
Hey.
Yeah. It's a new mobile tibiano. And you won't say that.
Hey.
Yeah. And you might actually
musicians so count.
Yeah.
Hey. Wow, what talent.
Thank you.
Into when they play and say
a nyoma ye found where they can play into a nyom a play I nyom kan. It is a musical.
Okay.
But it's an original musical because a nyom na o nye a nyoma yate and a nyoma ye nim. A nyoma ya chop.
You better say.
It's a 150 cities. Yeah, 150 cities. Obia obi person to ticket bia no bet my dial star 844.
Yeah, to obo my ho no.
Pacho yo star 844 star 300 hash. Star 844 star 300 hash.
Nti no krampo na da ha nti say unhu a.
Yeah.
Na say what no direct online.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now obi aso to online you just come to the gate na beto.
Okay. Yo nti apart from no you need
Dabi, you need outlets there.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
And 150
cities, yeah.
Saturday or China.
Yeah,
and Sunday.
Yeah.
And 3 p.m. there. See, Bella say by 2 hours.
2 hours, yeah.
Okay. See by 3-5 no we. 7-9 no we. Na Sunday so sa. Wow. The characters no how many wo mu?
Characters where I audition them.
Oh.
And and I also because I'm musical, you know, who here just actors. Who here actors on bit my tongue. And that was very difficult. Wow. I was able to audition and then have my team to do this.
Wow.
Yeah, and it's very exciting. Very exciting.
Very fine.
Thank you.
And topic and rape cases no doso.
Yeah.
It is crown parents where the young try near fan crown come. And you're ferry.
Oh, Dabi.
Because I'm crying more her crown. Idea. It's men ferry so no bear play with.
Yeah.
And then also understand and never come more.
Exactly. Because you're dramatizing the
yeah. My idea too much. That's it. Oh, yeah. Me sure say when your first time.
And I've been doing this for 9 years.
Hey.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, tabra ne ento wonka.
Thank you.
Wo de ba ma yente.
Thank you.
Cause we mu say ne yepese etie.
Thank you.
Na yenye next time for langas and so ye bi.
Ba sure yate.
And so say human so.
And also another serious issue
yes. Because me who wanga na wo pese wo ye.
Yeah.
Wo nkono normal. Wo fa issues,
social issues.
Yeah. I mean, sure, but you be more how pese oka.
The mechanic say it's for ni ahwefo nyina no. Mo mbra no mo mbehwe we because we are there you cannot afford to miss it. There's so many lessons and there's so much enjoy.
I think Krasenka schools.
Yeah.
School run and later I think say
schools churches obia families obia ntimi behwe we and there's so much
to 150 momra na mo mehwe na me sure say wo unto 150 mu
exactly
benya mfaso be bre was so practical na ye good than theory no so practical worker ba ya betumi relate because we play bi na you say anti say na tie na just afa it is ama ye baby e benya bi ato ni bi.
Okay, it is once again obi auto take it bi no star 844 star 300 hash.
Okay, star 844 star 300 hash. It's number bi e ni ho.
Obi obi so free bi so metima 054 609 8082 054 609 8082.
Na early bird no eda so ye ma. Mo twem.
E pa chan ye twem.
Ani ye twem. Wa hwa na obi aba nti no bi twem early bird na twem. Nti say 150. Me san say phone si ha.
Ye da se
papa pa nyame ya no ye beba. Me nyina ya behwe bi na boa. Nti no nyame ya dom a chena ene ne kwasi ada 7 p.m. 2 shows. Ye be 3 p.m. na be 7. Ni nyina ma Saturday Sunday. Ti me stroll institutions no mni ade wenum sei ene wo se ye de ho ehyem me enti anwum we emra sisi Ahosepe na o hwe no sister Sandy bi o ye guy ye to so de ama na Kofi Kinata wadi ni birthday na wi eno achi na ye ni birthday ti belated happy birthday nkomo na me hira opa na onye okese na wadwuma wo ye no enkoso amrem na Kofi aba be yi nsama hodo ano the entire ono sa beef mo rap no onye bi dabi ebi ono ni focus maybe o wedro no onye ready for sa beef obi e the rap no the to try the pa no more kasa dabi ono na level ni different cry na yenkoti ni chire mu ntia oso wajai
uba hacho Kofi hasn't been here in what, a year? When was the last time he came? Was it last year?
We've been defending him for a lawyer. But I am Michelle in terms of Michelle. I'm not Bahano. They are discussing industry.
And then he plays music too. I mean, hello, he's present.
See, the last time I was very close to him. I think we were on a flight. That was last year.
Yeah.
Last year where we go to the way.
If I show up in my name, so do.
Oh, there later. And yes, I make come.
Do something to Bangana.
But I beg you.
I was not want to light.
Kofi, welcome. How have you been?
Very, very good. Very okay. I've been, I wouldn't say a little busy, very busy because of the Kofi EP. That's my first body of work. So a whole lot needs to be.
How does it feel? It's been what? It's been how many
decades?
You've never recorded an album, never had an EP.
I have a lot of songs, but I don't feel like combining songs as an album. Most of the albums, it feels like the song is from here, another one is from here. They just add it and it's an album. But when we were kids, the kind of albums that we listened to wasn't like that. You listen to album and you feel like you are soaked into the album. Right. They are telling you a story,
right.
So I didn't want to do anything like that. Like, okay, if it must be done,
it must be done well.
My fan saw them myself.
And Papa, now I know why. Smart guy. Smart guy.
Like enterprises.
Yes. If it must be done, it must be well enterprised. It must be well enterprised. Yes.
And I was kind of, I felt like I wasn't ready. If it was to, I mean, combine songs, then I was ever ready. But the kind of song, album or EP that I wanted to put out, I felt like I wasn't ready. And my kind of fans are, you know what I'm saying, they are those fans. They will come and, I mean, criticize. I mean, I have a lot of lecturer fans, this fan, you know what I'm saying.
Politicians.
So, yes. So,
big men.
Yeah, so when I'm putting out something, I consider a whole lot of things. But since I ready, EP, Kofi EP. Now, we EP ni no. I mean, song selections, no, I fight. You see, if you come when you day. I mean, but at long last, no, the battle has ended. We are done with 7 songs. I mean, we settled on 7 songs then. And the people me saying you mean I'm jealous.
Really?
Like me say,
what feeling?
Like I was jealous of myself. You know, mundo be jealous of my crap. Banana matter them say like one could say intimate and yet them at you come. O package into Kenata, one could package it. No, people will be jealous. Into Mangasan Pomak is I'm one of jealous of coffee. No
contributor.
Yeah, it was. It's a very solid. Yes, so one gasa a listener, and then you'll be a pede who run a Chomokwa and the Sebi over said into for was I. But
I like that.
Yeah.
Can be a name fan to baby. Excuse me. Kofi Kinata will be a. You see, one thing I like with Kinata is that Onimyansa.
Kakra.
And Kofi Kinata says Obakwasia way. Untumin tunefo.
Sebi count.
Wajimi and Wajimi.
Yeah. Sometimes what's the Adam Kofono? My uncle, my under papa, Kofi, I put to say change, put you babim. Send them again, we to the front. So, one is so to the feet. I put to say change, but you babim.
It's, you know, when we are 2 baby, pa. Yes.
Hey, we had that.
Kofi, we can't wait for that EP. You're ready. So no kasa. Ade no onwa woye na ade na asa tena se tie bio hu se actually. Oh, you too much. Nti nyina ye twen na ya hwede wo sa EP no eso. Ene enim no dada. Nti no so we can imagine. So no kasa e kan dia. Ene na niema wo mo kasa. Na Beverly afaglo. Ene wasakwa ko bia shawama no foforo nso wo baby. Se nyame gusua ishira no. To gusu ebie ti se PRO nyankoto bia ya hye no so na new joint ya ye bie e show location no na so akoto bie enko hemba.
Okay, it's not been easy. I literally move around my daily chores like a mad woman. I'm everywhere. It makes me even forget what I have to do and all that. But with God on my side and hard work, everything is possible. So managing it is being part of the business. Sometimes people do invest into stuff like this and they go and sleep that my business should make money for me. If you're not involved, you don't win. That's what I believe. Yeah.
Would you say that you depended on the brand Beverly, or you actually, sought for ideas, professional ideas to be part of this?
Oh, of course, I sorted for professional ideas. That's what I'm even saying. I went to Nigeria to scout for a chef. Even though I had an idea of the things I've heard that they put into this, they can add this, add that. But I had to get a professional to come and do it. And we cooked something together so that it will be my recipe. So yes, professionalism was in. But at the same time, my brand was able to help push this because people, I believe, trust my brand. So anything I put out there, I mean, from the inception of me doing businesses from when I started with waist trainers and everything till now, people know that whatever that I bring into the system is legit. And so far, they are happy.
Let me take you back a little bit and talk about, I'm sure you've heard about a lot of veterans complaining about, money and all of that. What would be your ideal advice for actors, actresses, musicians, and people in the creative business, investing in other things?
Yeah. My advice to them is to invest into businesses because after the fame and everything, people still look up to you for many things. And that is why you have to tap into this, that people want to see you, people love you, people want to have you. How do they have you? That is how you invest into businesses. In Hollywood, we have the likes of 50 Cent, Jay-Z and stuff being owners of companies. 50 Cent has water, Jay-Z has...
Beverly, no. It wants to tap it. The old be a year when you invest in it. Sebeya wants to be to me a wow. Tiadana say, O Peshawama dia, Nandy. Abo Rona is walk or Jaba could be a rap in a camera. Pierre, there's one pet. Only the 6:30 no, I didn't for you, but once a while be. Now they are no so a film. It's here that's an Franco Trading Enterprise for us say a Nokia now pair Samsung iPhones, smart TVs, and our tabletop fridges, Franco air conditioning, and so a room, and our chest freezers and refrigerators, beer, we hear no washing machine pool, and our CCTV, a year camera and so. Ubo Remo Franco Trading Enterprise, I won't say to me, I can be Mr. Franco number new internet in the baby. Just a dear midday to a drain. It is a whoop product, a mobile boss way be electrical appliances in the Honia media. For 0246 422338, 0246 422338, and a 0555 939311, 0555 939311. Now the Franco Trading Enterprise for Eddie and more. Ghana Entrepreneurship Week, Ebe Basso, Nyamiya Adoma 29th, Edikosi 2nd May, 29th April, Edikosi 2nd May. Na Entrepreneurship Seminar so Ebe Koso Mikado Conference Center, 29th to 30th April. Tifa ho shemobi, bibia wo bia opese obo ho dawro, ana wo pay business ideas. Ada no nimdifo ni nyina abehia. Nti bibia wo bia se en shape ni ye mfama wo no. Entrepreneurship Week we eso do ho agimobie. Na me ya Adom nso a ebesa paw 2 books ho ntoma. Sa books no nya bi kan a ebebo pa Fundamentals of Entrepreneurship book 1 and 2. 4 p.m. 2nd May our conference center. Tichumike exhibitors ahodo pesa wo frɛ na so wo do ne ma badwumede na se a frɛ number 0508 110755 0508 110755 na bra behia independence ahodo ni nyina ebi sister Sunday bi oye guy makacho say emergency ya frɛ no wo Flagstaff House adwuma na de ne ekosa ti ne ne hu se fia amankwata makloma begina mu nti me da team no ase ama Abilonzi me do mo ase papa ye kɔ na nkɔmɔ ahodo bi aka nso e de ato so